Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Pandora here. I am back. Want to come and show you guys that this system is actually working, guys. You need to check this out. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. We had another commission that has come in, how to earn daily paid profits. Gonna show you that. But this is a brand new system. It just launched. This is fire. When I tell you it's fire, it's fire. If you truly have been wanting to learn how to make money online, you've got to go here, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Get signed up. Get your Legacy Builder program. Okay? This is your one and only program, guys. This is the one that's going to show you how to make money online. Truly, step by step, what to do. Let me show you this just a little bit, and then I want you to go look into it yourself. Read over the website. Check it all out. If you have questions, reach out to me. My number is in the description. Check it out. Check this out. Hold on one second. Here's the other payment that has come in. All right, if you take a look, this one came in on last night, April 1st. Okay. April Fool. Now this is real. On April 1st, guys. So $300. Okay. All right. So definitely go check this out. Let's go back over here. Let me show you this program. Okay. Let me go to my actual page here. This is the dashboard. Hang on one second. All right. So that's 900 in the last, what was that, Sunday? Sunday, 600, 300, Monday. That's $900, okay, that I have earned. All right. So, excuse me, since the launch. So go here, read over this. Again, go to the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. You're going to see my capture page. I got a new capture page. Let me show you that. Okay, this is the capture page I'm using. Put your info in there. You're going to see the sales video. Then you click here. Okay. Here is the website. Learn the daily pay blueprint. 100% profit, guys. There's no middleman. You're going to earn 100%. This is not network marketing. It's not MLM. We don't have levels. All right. This is not one of those programs where your sponsor is going to get paid over and over and over by the work that you do. Okay. They're only going to get paid one time when someone purchases a product or if somebody upgrades, okay? So this is direct sales member to member. So you're going to get paid 100% off of the efforts of what you do, nobody else, all right? So you're going to get access to the step-by-step blueprint. Check it out. Look at the website. I mean, it is so professionally done. Nothing has been left out here. This is what you guys have been asking for. You've got that. You've got support, not just with me as a sponsor, but you got a whole community, over 12,000 people. This is not the typical Facebook group where you just add people in there and you hope somebody's going to answer your question or help you. No, we have a true 24/7 community. Okay, because we got people from all over the world in there. Not just that, this is the website, the way it's set up, the community. There is a tab that you can tap on, guys. It's called Classroom. And if you go there and type in the search bar, just like you do with Google, you'll find the answer to your question. If it's not there, guess what? Then you can post your question and somebody's going to assist you. All right. And then now they've got a whole team that is in this community that is catered to technical questions. I mean, where have you been able to find something like that? Nowhere. You have the owner that's hands-on with the system day after day after day. This is not one of those systems, I'm telling you, that we've been a part of before. This one's been built from scratch, from the ground up, brand new value, brand new content. Okay, if I had to start over, this would be the program I would be looking for to get started. And you get a free marketing system. You don't have to worry about monthly expenses. Okay, getting that system that you got to figure out how to set it up. If you're not technical, what to do, how to do it, everything is here for you. All right, when I tell you that, truly, I'm going to show you my program and the product that I purchased and the steps, how it shows you what to do to set everything up. So here, a step-by-step process for making automatic commissions each and every day. Check it out. This is your website that you're going to get. Look what we have here. We've got testimonies from people. Amazing. I'll show you the community here in a second. The Legacy Builder program is awesome. Unlock a comprehensive. Now that's true. Facts. It is comprehensive. So simplified that anyone can do this. Anyone. If you're coachable, you follow the steps, anybody can do this. Simplified automation for everyone. There it is. They just said it. All right. This is the program. Okay. When I tell you this is it, this is it. This is the only digital marketing program I will be promoting right here, the copypastemethod.com. Okay. Legacy Builders program. Go here. All right. So you see this tells you here, well, what's included? Your launch pad, launch to profit. Okay. And then it breaks it down. What's included? I mean, you can't get any more detail than this. Follow a passive daily pay blueprint. Check it out. Digital empire, digital mastery. Everything is laid out. There's no question about what you're getting. How is this going to work? Everything is here. Here you go. Here is what they're telling you here. Our community is in an app called School, SKOOL. I hadn't been in school before until I got in this program. I love it. I've got the app downloaded on my smartphone. And then when I'm on my laptop, I can go there. But this, and it's a free app, guys. All right, this is how we stay plugged in to what's going on. Look at everything you're going to get. What is this, 7 bonuses? 8 bonuses. Look at all these bonuses. The community, which is priceless. Canva crash course. The blueprint to $1 million, how Michelle did it. 30-day market strategy growth plan. How to start a business online with MRR. Master resale rights. That's what that means. 200 digital product ideas. I mean, on and on and on. We've got high ticket for the folks that say, hey, I want to make high ticket commissions. Guess what? Here you go. And it's not even $1,000, guys. One-time payment, no monthly fees. 900 plus 29, you're all in. You got all 4 products. Okay. Right here. I'm all in. And if you want to do the payment plan, all you got to do is click here. Okay. And you can do the payment plan. This is for US only, the payment plan. That's how. It's not that. That's not me setting this up. This is the payment processor. Okay. So if you guys are interested in payment plans for this, take advantage of that. Perfect. All right. And we have the other 3 products. So that was 900 for the Legacy Builder program. Then you have 600, the Digital Mastery. It's one-time payment plus 29 for your website. Okay. Very affordable for everybody to get started, guys. Again, the price points. This is education. Remember that. Okay. Shouldn't be a question of, well, how much is it? Well, why is it this? This is education that you're going to learn from a skill that no one will be able to take from you. Think about that. Your knowledge is power. What you know is what you know. No one can take that knowledge from you. And you'll be able to use that skill over and over and over again to help you earn online. All right? So think about that. 900. I would have paid this 5 times to get this education, to learn this 10 years ago. I surely would. 10 years ago to learn this and be a part of this program. It's well worth it. for what you're getting every day to be on live Zooms mentoring. This is awesome. No, let me keep going. So anyway, all 4 is $900. So $929, you got all 4. All right. So let's get back down here. 600. So it'll be $629. If you go with the digital mastery, you get all 3 of these. How about that? That's 3 income streams. If you go with the passive daily pay blueprint, that's $300. So it'll be $329. That'll be 2 income streams. If you just get the launch pad, you'll have that 1, and that's $129. Okay, $29 for your website one time, and guess what? It's going to be set up instantly. We don't have to wait 24 to 48 hours to get your site. It'll be set up instantly, and then you'll automatically be led in the community. Okay, I don't have to add you in now. You're going to be added in. The system is going to add you in. So that's pretty cool. So think about it. You don't have to worry about that either, because I know a lot of new people like, well, hey, how do I get my link to do this, and how do I add people? Not going to have to worry about that anymore. Once people sign up with you, the system is going to walk them through signing up and adding them to our community. Okay, wonderful. All automated when I tell you that. Okay, so there you have it. There's the 4 products, guys. So get in where you fit in. 900, you're all in like I am. Remember, think about that. Your smartphone costs more than this program. Okay, and unless you're making money with it and it's making you money, it's just pure entertainment. Think about it. So now you have a program that's actual going to teach you something, where you're going to learn a skill so that you can make income over and over and over. Unlimited, there's no cap. Okay, direct sales, member to member, directly to your account when somebody signs up. Okay, guys, so go check it out. Let me show you real quick this before I let you get out of here. So once you get your system, see, this is the dashboard. See, I'm in my dashboard, my digital growth community legacy builders program. So I'm in my dashboard because this is the program that I purchased, right? Legacy builders. See, I've got 107 lessons in here. And see, as soon as you go here, it tells you get started. See, it resumes too. I like this. You can go back where you left off. This thing is awesome. All right, so you click here to get started. Say you just signed up. What do you need to do? Click here, get started. You see this? And just follow this all the way down. That's all you need to do. Okay, nothing complicated here. It's really simplified. How to connect your automated system. Everything is right here. It's amazing. I can't tell you. I have joined a lot of programs, and none of them can touch this, hands down. I'm telling you. A lot of them. For those of you who've been following me, you know this, right? You know, you join me in this, or you've seen me promote it. This one, this digital marketing program, this is it. This is all you need for us digital marketing. You see, I've got 3 pages because I've got the legacy program, and it's a lot more that you get. Look at the lessons. See? Go to the next page. Page 2. What else do I have? Build a strong brand identity. I mean, it's on and on and on and on. Copy, paste, ads. Okay, everything. YouTube training. People have been asking, oh, I want to do YouTube. Guess what? Here's everything that's going to be in here for you. Okay. This thing is pure fire. All right, let me show you the community real quick, and you can get signed up. Hang on. All right, so check out the community, the digital growth community, guys. See right here, we're on the 90-day legacy run. You're going to have this vault with a lot of content in there with your hooks and your content creation info. You see this? Updates on the launch, Zooms, replays, TikTok trend. I mean, you got all this at your fingertips. This is gold mine information. We got a calendar so we know what's going on each day. Like today is Tuesday, so it's called Tech Tuesday. See this? 8 o'clock tonight. So for folks that's got questions, technical, guess what? Jump on this call at 8 o'clock tonight. Then Thursday, we've got 2 calls. I mean, you know what's happening. All you need to do every day is log into your community. You can download the app, come to the calendar, see what's going on. Hop in over here into the community. Check the pin post. This is where you need to be going. The pin post, what is happening. Okay, look for info from Michelle. Over here, 12,700 people, guys. When I got in this community back in November, it was like 5,500 people. That's crazy. And these are paid members, okay? So this is crazy. Crazy good. All right, now let's check this out. Let's click over here real quick. Let's see what's been happening. A day ago, 1,501 day. Okay, this is the new launch, guys. We have the new $900 product. Look at this. Update. Tim has made $82,000 in the first 3 months of 2024. The crazy thing is I lost my main TikTok channel in the middle of February. I truly thought my results were done. I had my backup. Okay, so is this working or what? $900 Dean. Okay, guys, $90, 910 minutes, 20,000 in March. All right. So go get started with this. You are going to get the step-by-step training you need. This is what you've been looking for. This is what you've been asking for. Hey, I'm new. I don't know what to do. Am I too old? None of that. We got folks 75, 76, 70, all ages is in here crushing this thing. So go check it out. www.thecopypaste method. Get signed up today. Go look into this. At least go to the website, read over it. All right. Everything is here, though. If you have questions, let me know. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.